back to another video. Today we got a bit of a building project again. I had this brilliant idea. Since our goats are always tied up, because I don't want them out in the field where we hay, I thought I would build them a little like a chicken tractor for goats. So a little bigger on the wheels. Something that we could just kind of push around the property along the fence line where I can't really cut, but I feel bad just kind of mowing it down, so I'll just have it graze all that out. So got a couple of helpers. Yeah. All right, so the plan is to I just got four 4-foot posts, and then I'm gonna make kind of a box out of that and use something for the walls. I don't know, I just picked up a full trailer of material for 50 bucks, so I'm gonna use that and improvise. Oh yes, let me update you on the progress. This is what we got so far. Got the box made out of the wheels, so now I could roll. It's coming along nicely. Now I think I'm just going to use that tin to make the sides. Well, I'm going to do halfway with tin and then halfway with probably fencing wire or hog panel. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. And then I need to figure out how to make a little gate. Add a little gate right here out of something. Also haven't decided yet. It's also hot. No. Well, I got through as much as I could today. The sun's going down. I did realize just now that the only screws that I have are 3-inch. No, I have 2-inch and 3-inch. And a 2-inch screw goes right through the 2x4 when I attach the tin. So I have to run out to a store tomorrow, get some 1-inch screws, and I'll finish this up tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's Wednesday and I'm playing at church, so Thursday. All right. The tin part, so the hot part of the tractor is done. Now I just need to get the sides covered up, and yeah, and this thing is going to be ready to go. Well, I need to also put a rope at the bottom so I could just kind of lift it. Yeah. guys, well, we gotta run inside because it looks like it's about to storm. Everything's fine. Just grab her and run. Run in the house. Leave the eggs, it's fine. I'll put the eggs like right here or something. All right, we gotta go. This is a very sudden weather change. It was showing beginning of this week that there won't be any rain for at least 2 weeks, and it's been storming pretty much on and off all day now. Sheesh, which really sucks because the hay, it's really not good for hay to get wet and dry again, or wet and dry again. But yeah, I gotta make it to the house. This could serve as a nice hideout for the tools right now. All right, I gotta get inside. Well, the goat tractor is now done. I just need to put the rope at the bottom so I could drag it with the side by side, and we're gonna go try it out right now. So stay put. All right, so we got it hooked up to the ATV. Gonna take it out, put the goats in, and see how it works. Right, well, we are here, and now I just kind of have to figure out the easier way to get that unhooked. Yeah, well, all right, well, I guess we'll see how that goes. Hi, girls. They have shade, they have grazing ground, and I'm just gonna be moving it twice a day, probably maybe once a day, depending on how fast they graze that. And that way we'll have lawnmowers along the fence line. So thank you for tuning in to this project. This was kind of planned and unplanned, you know, trying to figure out what to build it, how to build it as I'm going. So interesting fact about the goats, no matter how much grass they have in front of them, if there's a fence, they'll always try to eat it on the other side of the fence first. Just a fun fact. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.